Because I have extremely sensitive eyes, I was influenced by these magnetic lashes online that for some reason the sight's down, which is really sketchy. So far when I've put them on, it's like gotten my eye stuck in the magnet, which really hurts. So let's try it again. This way is what's worked for me so far, with like skinny on the bottom, but I don't know because you can't really buy these anymore, I guess. So I don't know if that's helpful. It's like so far from my eye. I'm scared to put it so close because it has pinched my eye really bad and I'm traumatized. I've seen other people do this and it's so easy for them, and why can't I do it? No! Gosh, ow. I can't leave the house like this. Why is this so bad? I have an idea because I'm not afraid to cut things because that's what's gonna make it work. I don't think maybe it's too long. If all else fails, I'm gonna get magnetic liner and just stick these eyelashes. It looks fine on the camera. It doesn't really look fine in person. Oh my gosh, that hurts so bad. Did it work? I think if I pulled it out. Oh, no. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time with the other kind that I have. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. Oh my gosh. I did it. If you know how to actually do this, please give me tips because sure they're on, but like not great. So that was that.